Vybz Cartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah.
Did you clear it?
I didn't not clear it.
But the streets cleared it. The streets cleared it.
The streets cleared it right away, which made it virtually impossible for me to not clear it, even if I was thinking about not clearing it, which, by the way, I was never thinking about not clearing it.
That's Vybz Cartel.
I'm saying.
Spice.
First and foremost, before the song was presented to me, the concept of Vybz Cartel and who he was presented to me. Like, this is that dude.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, he did this with your song. It was presented to me like that. So I'm like, so what are we talking about right now? Of course it's fine. Why would I have a problem with this?
Right.
To this day, I can't be over there and perform Miss Independent without giving props to what the fuck he did. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's real shit.
We made it.
Yeah,
brought it back to life.
Yeah, man. Like, you created a whole nother vibe and essence off of this.